Hi. Someone requested, how do you set the dais up? Easy. There's a control. You press that button and it gives you a choice of whether or not to use the speaker or the headphones. So here we press this, yes, for speaker, because you're going to have to hear what's going on. It came up in Basic 2 there because that's what I had it in when we left. So what you do, if to change programs, see this plus minus, Basic 2, Basic 1, GM power, DS fast. You want to go back down, GM power, Basic 1. Now when you come up, normally, it will be Basic 1 in 11.574, 12 kilohertz, and that's it. Just open it up, go into Basic 1 and detect. It's a brilliant program. Now if you want to be a little more advanced, click the plus here and go up into GM power, which is you're going up to 18 kilohertz, which picks up tiny silver coins and things like that at a greater depth. Simple as that. Now I like to switch between things. I pick up something in GM power, I just switch down straight away, check the numbers it gives me in basic, click down to Basic 2 and it gives me, that's 8 kilohertz. But what I do, I've got a little trick. Click the menu, click it here till it comes down onto frequency, go over there to your minus button, bring it down to 4 kilohertz, look, click that top corner twice, and now you've got your Basic 2 is in 4 kilohertz, which really knows iron when it sees it, the low frequency. So we'll click this again, click that twice. There we go, we're in Basic 2. Now click that, put it in 1, put it in 2. Now I'm going to have to try when I reincarnate, I'm coming back with 4 hands. Here's a GM power and here's a Georgian coin. $92. Flick the button. This is how easy it is. 89. The lower frequencies give you lower figures. And that's Basic 2. So let's go back into GM power. Chunk of iron here. It's actually, I'm not sure what it is, but it's a silver embossed, so I hope this will work. This is GM power with a chunk of iron. Don't really like it. Go to Basic 1. Don't really like it. At a distance it'll pick it up, but close to it won't. But it's giving really high signals, look, and it's flashing in the horseshoe that it's worth digging up, but believe me, it isn't. So if we try right down into Basic 2 there, and I'm flashing here, I ain't getting any sounds. It doesn't really like it. It's saying, hey, come on, that's I don't really like that. So by going click, 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 you can pretty well throw out bits of iron, unless they're really deep and they're at a distance, when you will get a faint signal. So that's my tip for the day. Right, here we go. You start off in Basic 1. That's very good, 12 kilohertz. Click the plus button, click, go up into GM power, that's get a really deep, good searcher. Search in that, find something, come down to basic, get a different number reading, come down to basic 2, which you've set really low down in 4 kilohertz, look. And that will give you some indication of whether or not it's iron. Because believe me, no detector will throw out large pieces of iron. Shall we leave it for that, or shall we show you how to get the squealer mode? Right, see this button at the bottom? It's a pinpointer. You press it, there's your pinpoint. Up here on the mode, press once, press twice. You're now in audio discrimination. Now this is non-motion. You've got to tune this thing, so there's your plus button. It doesn't really like the large coils. It's much better in the small coil. Put it about 20, because you've got to be right in non-motion. It's manual. You're doing all the work. So there. Now click again. Bring it down to ground balance, and bump it up about, anywhere up to 90 actually. But let's see that. That's a good one. Oh, it's picking it up already from that distance. Now look what happens when it's like what I call squealer mode. You're dead in the centre of the object, and I'm 14 inches away. So that's how you pinpoint with the discrimination. Right, let's come out of there. To go back, you just press that button. We're back in basic 2, press that button. Basic 1, press that button. We're back in GM power and on full steam. Maybe a lot to take in, just keep watching the videos. Anyway, this is the last you're getting out of me. It's definitely Christmas now. And to switch off, that button there, keep it pressed down, and it's gone. Merry Christmas, good luck, good hunting. Bye.